Hello friends, welcome back. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can create this Doctor Strange portal inside Unreal Engine 5.7. So let's start. Create a new project. Choose Film Video Live Events. Choose blank. Now rename project to Doctor Strange Portal. Create. Now we are inside Unreal Engine. First create new folder. Rename it to Material. Go inside and create a material. Rename it to Doctor Strange Portal. Go inside. Now change blend mode to additive and shading model to unlit. Now create a particle color. Connect it to emissive color. Now apply and save. Now go to content folder again and now create a new folder. Rename it to Niagara system. Go inside, create a new Niagara system. Choose template simple sprite burst. Rename it to Doctor Strange portal. Go inside Niagara system. You can see in the viewport, this is a particle spawning. Now I need more particles. So I will delete this spawn burst instantaneous and add a spawn rate and change spawn rate 1 to 10,000. Now I will add a shape location. Now you can see our particles are spawning on this sphere. So I will change it to torus. You can see now our particles are spawning on this torus, but this torus is not in right direction. So go to transform section and change rotation mode to axis angle. Now change rotation axis to y to 1 and x to 0. Now you can see our torus is in right direction. Now I will reduce its size. So go to shape location and change its handle radius to 5. Now I will change our particle size. So go to initialize particles, change it to 3. Now our particles are in good size. Now I will add a vertex force. Now you can see vortex force is applied, but our particles are not rotating in right direction. So change its vortex axis to y to 1 and z to 0. Now you can see our particles are spawning and rotating in right direction, but after some time particles are disappearing. So go to emitter state and change its loop behavior once to infinite. Now our particles are not disappearing. Now I will change our particle size which are looking like dots. So go to initialize particles. First of all, change its color. I will make it like orange. Now what I will do, I will go to sprite size mode, uniform to non-uniform, and sprite size minimum to 0.5 and maximum to 15. Now you can see these are looking like sparks but not aligned according to velocity. So I will go to sprite renderer and change its alignment automatic to velocity aligned. Now our particles are aligned according to velocity and looking very nice. Now what I will do, I will add our material which I have created. This is Doctor Strange portal. So select from here Doctor Strange underscore portal. I have added this material. Now you can see our particles life size is very big. So I will go to initialize particles and change its lifetime to random range float and minimum to 0.5 and maximum to 1.5. Now our portal is looking much better. You can also increase its spawn rate from here 10,000 to 20,000 or 15,000. Now one thing need more to do, add here, add a light renderer. Now our particles will spread glowiness or lighting or light to the environment. Without light rendered particles will glow but not spread lights very well. Now save it and go back, go to Niagara system, add it to in viewport. Now you can see our Doctor Strange portal is ready. Now what I will do, I will go to directional light and change its intensity to 0.5. Now you can see our Doctor Strange portal is looking very nice. You can also decrease our particles life so it will not look weird. Go to initialize particles, change lifetime maximum to 1.25 and save it again. Now go back. Now this is looking much better than before. You can also increase or decrease as per your requirement. So by this method you can easily create Doctor Strange portal inside Unreal Engine. If you like this tutorial, please like, and if you need more tutorials, don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will bring more tutorials like this. I will see you in next tutorial.